अहानबदा मरोइबा पाउ पिजरे लैंगांगना मियामगे अपामबगी मायोक्ता बर्ड सेंचुरी सानब होनरपगी मायोक्ता मियामना तिदिम लंबीदा बन चथरे पुलिसना टियर गैस कापदा मियोय क्या असोपन नंखरे KCP People's War Groupna bom thamjinbagi mayokta mahiroi oza mama mapa amasung lekai miyamna wangang daba khongset chatkre amadi sahi nauriba mahiroi singda lairik yamna puhandana ba amadi class 1 dagi 2 fawbagi mahiroi singda homework pi dana ba lengakna mari lenaba singda khangan kre Kurumjari Times of Manipur News yengbiro punangpu kumantem gentle na taram nokjari hojik miyam da pauk santong na pijari JSC against the announcement of Thinungai Bird Sanctuary amadi Loktak Lake Fishermen Association Thinungai na ngasi ayuk pung taruk tagi numidang pung taruk fawba kaukiwa tidim lambi ban chathari ngasi ayuk angan badage ban chawgat pasingna lambi paring adugi Thinungai amadi Fubalada lambi da thoroktuna lambi thingbagi kongjang sangshin ke Fubalada nupi singna lambi mayai da fanek tingduna lambi thatke Thinungai dasu miyamna lambi da uwa faijindana kongjang sangshin ke ayuk pung 12 taba matamda Bisnupur District Police ki kangbuna ban chawgat pasing adubu tan khaina bahona bada masing yamlaba tiar gas cell kya kapki maduda kongjang loi mari soktuna tongan ba hospital da laikana ke kongjang aduda saruk yakhiba JSC ki secretary N Rupachandrana hai ingna tapna leijaramba Thinungai da miyamgi apambagi mayokta bird sanctuary sana balawrakliba khongthang asi handoktriba fawba kongjang asi sangshin kigani haike Haukiva February taramari da Kansipur da leiva Catholic School gi gate KCP People's War Group na bom thamjindana aki akhang nanghanbagi mayokta ngasi school asigi oza mahiroi local guardian amadi school adugi transport union punna sinduna school gi gate mamangda wakan mifam phamagaloina na school campus tagi kawa bazar fawba wangang da rally ama satkre wakan mifam amadi rally adu da make school a free zone we want books not bomb do not plant bomb plant the seeds of education haina thava placard sing sijinaki Rally adu halaknaba matungda pawmi singda local guardian amana phongdokhibada school da bom thamjindana mahiroi hatlaga ningtamba phangani khalabadi mahiroi hatrabasu mama oibising oina hatpiro haike
Adan isa isu kaya halaga mogi ningtamba phangnei di isa lato mama oibai khoi hatpiro naibak mayang ningma tamba phangnei di
Mahiroi singi laisang oiriba school da bom thamjinba ase terrorist ki thongni Karigumba revolutionary group oirabadi asigumba tamthiba thabaksi tawroidabani school asigi oza singna kathokpaga loinana mahiroi singbu takpi tambiduna laibak asigi mingchat puraklibani maramaduna education gi lamda Catholic school khakta natana lairiba institute khudimak asi free zone NBO haina appeal tawrakli
What we can say is a kind of act of terrorist. If it is an act of the revolutionaries, then it will not do like this. Because this is an institution where we are bringing up many students' future, our children's future. It is said that our students, our children are the future of the nation. Until now, our school is working for nearly 25 years. And in these 25 years, we are bringing out many bright students who bring laurels for the state, for the nation. So instead of encouraging us, we are not bothering or we don't want to mention or we don't want to analyze or understand whatever the problem is. But what we want as a teacher is make our free zone, make our institute a free zone from all the disturbances and let us do our duty with full of dedication in making the future of our children.
Makhatana school asida tamniba mahiroi tolina athokpamna school da bom thamjinduna satra singbu manghana bahona rivasi yamna tanthiba crime amani loinana samas asigi tungi human resource ki potential oiriba mahiroi singda asigumba thodok asi amuk hana thoan biganu haina phongdokhe
School second gate bomb thamaga student mayambu destroy tawgena khaliba sibo yamna delinquent oiba crime nena khali future pillar oidoriba khoina resource akhoi state gi resource bo destroy tawgena khaliba makhoi gi primitive oiba thinking je yam nungai jade aduga masibo akhoina amuk hana matungda thoktana ba haina haijari
Sahi nauriba mahiroi singda lairik yamna puhandana va amadi class 1 dagi 2 fawbagi mahiroi singda homework pidana va lengak na mari lenaba singda khangan khre hiramasida report ama
School mahiroi singna arumba lairik khaw pubugi polum hanthana Meghalaya sarkarna school khudingmaki mahiroi singna puba yaba arumgi sang lepkhre amasung class 1 amadi 2 gi mahiroi singda homework pibada athingba thamkhre school bag ki arumba amasung angang singi haksen gi yenglaga center gi human resource development ministry na piba chana pathap ki matungina state laingakna niyam asi semkhibani hairi sarkar gi notification amagi matungina MBOSEICSE natraga CVSE na haiba khaknatana school singna mahiroi singda homework piodabani haina megalia sarkar gi chana pathap aduna palle school authority na mahiroi singda textbook natana ahen balairik sing natraga atai ahen polom sing puroknaba haidana basu sarkar na khangali angang na school da lairik natraga notebook yamna puroktanaba matam gusunaba time table semna basu state laingakna school gi makok thongba sing amasung oja sing da khankhre hairi megalia sarkar na lokholakliba khongthang asi state asigi laingakna su lokhotpa matam oirabra haibasi wahang ama oiri
SSA amadi Ramsagi Oza Singi Pitokana Lairiva, Tatur Kitolo Pitok Pio Amadi, Promotion Line Pio Haiduna Sanction Lakiva, Siswak Strike Kongzang, Nasiga Tana Mitarani Toy Sujin Kray, Nasisu, SSA Amadi Ramsagi Oza Singna, Journal Education Office, Porompat Mamanga, Wakan Mifam K. Maduda Saruk Yakiva, Oza Tiam Ranjan Singana, Nasiga Mitarani Toy Suraba Kongzang Asida, Langaki Maiketegi, Wafum Amata Haidavasi, Libak Tivani. Karigumba, Mayro Singna, Bosem Amadi, Kosemna, Parikasingda, Maitivan Nang Bayorok Lavadi, Madugi Data, Langana Puda, and Haiki.
Ming Saitagi, Kayuma Kontang Hadi, Lokat Pirakadra and Kanjaraga, who's power Lokat Piraktabase, Akoyam Noizade, Masi Karigumba Gamena, Akoy Damota, Oza Amadi Satra Mayangi, Akoy Nesson, Lermamse, Akoy Ozana, Sembira Katavanina, Masi Hundoga, Akoyna Angang, Nukshabang, Tadu Maga, Sanction Labor Konjanga say, Masi as Masidi, Akoy Kariumbakara. Lokat Pam Toina, Gaming Site Kalan Zaning Baitare. As Sakao Hangaba was asking Sina, Kamaito, Angang, Tapigani School, Kamaito, Satkani, Huzik Deva Karma Mayamatoi. I Matam said, although I told a big Talaba, Madam said, the Tama Panena Tolo, P talked about Aduga, line of promotion, Lehendaba, Aduga, Atopa State was asking a Hoya treatment, Tongana, Manada, me, and a young people man, but won't say I'm a pinza de Haitare.
Paugi Maraktan Atimba Brematang Luxury.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw logi ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coacatel near Infal Quarters. The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Manipurda ihan going handukzaba Green Can Industries Masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very, very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services si amna pending our entrepreneurs in Green Can Industries that depend on yani
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang lenshin biratuna akupa marol dikamasta tanabiu aikoi address Green Can Industries Mahangam Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki miyoi amamam lagzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobirau at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063
Breaking Matunda Makataba Pau Pijari. Lengaki Maikadigi Taza Pirakpadagi, Nasi Utagi Satakiva, Infal More Lambi Ban Handokre. Mission Blind School Haikak Pibu, Lengakna, Edit School Oin and Lokshin Nava, Cabinet and Warip Low Kravasu, Nasi Fawa, Tabakto on Toktabagi Mayokta, Lambi Timbagi Kongjangadu, Sanction Kivani. Kongjangadu Namaram Oiraga, Lambi Paring Asida, Garishing Sena Kide, Mission Blind School gi maheroi sing amasung Maikaidum gi miyamna lambi mayai da phamjinduna lambi thingki khongjang changsilingai manungda Technopol District ki SP Dr. S Ibomsa laktuna khongjang loi singa wari sanaki maduda SP Ibomsa gi khuthangda Chief Minister Secretariat ge Secretary Geoffreyna hayeng phawgi manungda Chief Minister ga unahana wa honagani haibadagi khongjang adu handokibani hairi ngasi ayuk pangai da leiba Manipur Police Training College campus ta IED oigini chingnaba posak ama leirambadagi pakhatna rure college ki campus ta leibak tawbada posak adu thengnarakibani tungda expert ki kangbu laktuna yengsinba matamda ariba matamgi sapu oirambadagi mi paiba adu kongna ke hairi nupi angang gi mayokta sathariba miot minai gi mayokta paujel puduna Imphal dagi Delhi fawba Naitong car thogduna miyam da paujel PKV lamdam asigi ningol girinda leitong bamna makhatana Manipur gi district tarataruk da satuna paujel sandoklagani hairang asi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba paugi mifam amada girinda loitong bamna haikre mahana makataraduna khongsat asida miyamna pungning thogatpiyo haike
Thanda tawragadi ngasi mak aina Imphal to Delhi chatle hairaga awareness se hekta ngasi nungdang sida hekta effect lakadaba nate haidi akoi tungi oiba adaga mayam punna amuktang oina ai thanda tawbasina taba mayam punna amuktaw minaragadi khara doirsu koi ki crime si reduce tawgadra haina khali khata bai chachagi ni lepalaitana ai Manipur gi 16 district se amuk ai gi si mathangda chatkani na lepchari
Pauna Bazar da leiba Science Steel na maruiba thaudang logduna Nikon India na sinduna wedding photography workshop amangasi Hotel Classic Granda pangthokre haukiba chahi manga dagi hauna Nikon India na sinduna Manipur da lepa leitana tongan bo workshop kaya pangthokuna lakle Tom TV ga unabamada Nikon India ge North East Area Manager Kumar Kishore Kalitana workshop asina Manipur da leiriba wedding photography bo pamjaba singda yamna sauna mateng panglagani wedding photography asi Manipur khakta gi natana Bharat pumbagi oina yamna pamnarakli amadi sentok lambi ama oina sel kya tanba yaba khudongchaba amasu oiri haike.
So the photographers today here are already basic, they are aware of the basics. So this is an advanced level workshop. When they do professional wedding photography in the field, in the actual scenario, they will be able to perform more better, maybe and the light, how to use the better light, both for still and video. Then we have new equipments which we have introduced, the Nikon Z series. It's a mirrorless camera, so we'll have a special demonstration about that, and people can get more experience in the field and more technically ahead of others when they shoot after the training.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Akhoi gi website www.lamjingbacap.com. Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamnariba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongbada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemogi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamalda fangbiragani. Loinana order su luxury. Lengsin birau ngasimak Panthoibi Embroidery, Sagolban Khamnam Bazar, opposite Oriental College, Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Break matungda mayam mukana taram nokshari. South Kashmir District ke Pulwama da haukiva sagol se numita satharkiva terror attack aduga mari lenana ngasi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na opposition party singa wa khananava all party meeting ama kaukre haire. New Delhi da laiva Modi ki residence da CCS ki mifam yaru matungda Srinagar ki khongsata leiruba Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh Pulwama attack mari leinaba wafum kya all party meeting aduda thamgadori. Suicide bomber ni singnaba mioi amana Jammu-dagi Srinagar tamna lakpa troop lisingani ga samanga henna puba gari humputra nipa na saba CRPF ki convoy amada attack tawbuda yamdrabada jawan nifumanga sikhibani aduga kaya amana asopan nangkhibani. Awang nongpok lamdamda Pulwama car bomb da manava makhalgi attack sing tungda satharpa yabagi chawno oithokpa lei haina Union Home Ministry na awang nongpok lamdamda mathau tawriba Central Force amadi State Police Force singda section wa phongdokre. Indian Intelligence ki report sing paladuna agency singi pawamana phongdokpa matung ina Assam amasung Bangladesh tagi oiva naha khara haukiva tha khara sida Jamaat ul Mujahideen Bangladesh JMB da yawru matungda makhoibu suicide bomber sing oina training piba leire. JMB yaukhraba Bengali origin ge Muslim sing adu NRC update tawbuda mioi lising kya gi ming yaukhidraba Assam gi tongan tonganba district sing dagini. Amaromda ngarang numidang Nagaland gi Kohima amadi Dimapur dasu Pulwama terror attack ta laikhidraba CRPF jawan nifumanga gi mafamda ikai kumnaba utpoina lamdam adugi miyamna candle thanbaga loinana thodok adubu kana yaningdaba phongdokre haire. Lakliba April thadagi Mizoramda Joram Thangana lusingba laingakna yu amadi mayai kava nisagi polamsing yonba pura thinglagani haina state aduge excise amadi narcotics minister ke Baiswana phongdokre. Panbayavadi Christian lining chatpa mioi singna namna taba lamdam ama oivana search kayagi apamba khangduna haukiva sahigi December thada sarkar paikiva Mizo National Front MNF ke mikhalgi manifesto da karigumba parties na mikhal mai paklabadi yu amadi nisagi polam thingani haiba warol yaukibani. Pawamagi matungina lakliba March thada famgadoriba State Assembly ge budget mifamda mayai kava nisagi polam sing thingnabagi prohibition law ama assembly da puthoklagani. Haukiva sagol se numita Jammu amadi Kashmir ge Pulwama suicide attack ta laikhidraba CRPF jawan singi imung manungda lupa lakh ani piragani haina Tripura ge Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb na ngarang lauthokre. Nakalamaromda thodok adubu ninda taruduna BJP amadi opposition party Congress ke activist singna Pakistan ki Prime Minister Imran Khan ki mitam amadi laibak adugi flag mai thakibagloina candlelight rally na singba satkre. Thawaina pontha pikrava CRPF jawan singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utuna lamdam adugi sarkar lanai mafam amadi Agartala book fair ge ahuban numita tilliba miyamna minute khara tumina leiduna laikhidraba jawan singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utke. Hojing ase ayuk phong khiba Manipuri pause singi marwe pawmok puna yengminase.
Sangai Express yamna lan bathabak tore chap chaba chairak phangani Prime Minister Senapati da luingai ni thoram pangthokre Furup Singhi Lup Singna punna saruk yakhi punna terrorism thingnaminasi Chief Minister Congress na BJP bu singna kre Assembly da warep ani lausi ibobi Naharol gi thokdang Modi Sarkar na all political party mifam kaukre Pulwama terror attack laman khumnaba security force da full freedom pithokre Prime Minister Modi Terrorism ki thawong sing punna thengnaba matam oire Chief Minister Sarkar na miyam gi khallagadi handaki assembly mifamda citizenship amendment bill withdraw tawview scrap tawview haibagi apunba fireb lawminasi Congress BJP lengak amuk halaktanaba fireb lawview Maoist Huyan Lan Pau Matter Singda ikai khumnaba utfa oina numit nini state lengak na thoram pangthoklaroi ngasidagi haugadaba mahutki thabak lawnabagi changeng amadi viva vosi Lamlai Municipal Council gidi High Court na Thingzin Kre. Citizenship Amendment Bill Ordinance Oinasu Chanava Yaroi, Haiva Warep Assembly the Lowsi, Ibobi. Talent Laiva Artist Kya Lairambadu, Hauziki Laisilaktre, Ratan Thiam. Sana Laibak, Gai Khangam,
Citizenship Amendment Bill support tauba kangbuda lai pareng hukpa laibak thibani. Ordinance laiba yaroi haina leingangna warep logadavani ibobi. Miyamna post office thamlamba thazaba mangsilakle. Lupa lak amaga lising yang piba saru hudanaba khulai chelaga rumal oina tharagle. Bongge attack laikhidrabasingda awaba phongba oina laingaki program yaithokre. EJL Express Citizenship Amendment Bill putokhidabada miyamna Chief Minister da laihukibadu onakre. Body miyam oigadavani gai khangam. BJP na thauna lairabadi Citizenship Amendment Bill withdraw taunaba aduga ordinance jariba yaroi haina resolution lauraga center da taksiminashi ibobi. ITA khongau nariba police bab ta hannaba Supreme Court na khangan kre. Hairoki miyam mi finary manpack amadi mari leinaba CSO singa midyeng changbiu. Sambi Ireibak tungi khunai gidamak mitai amadi naga punsinduna thabak tawba matam oire. Khozon Assembly the Citizenship Amendment Bill withdraw taunaba ordinance oina chanahandanaba wareb logadavani ibobi. Mahiroi singbu usin tawfam ohenganu RSF.
Aroibada moroiba pom kana fangbigani. Laingak na miyam gi apambagi mayokta bird sanctuary sana bahonarapagi mayokta miyam na tidim lambida banchathari police na tiar gas kapada miyokya asopan nangkre. KCP People's War Group na bom thamjim lambagi mayokta mahiroi oza mama mapa amasung laikai miyam na wangang daba wakat khongset satkre. Amadi Sahi nauriba mahiroi singda larik yamna puhandanaba amadi class 1 dagi 2 fawbagi mahiroi singda homework pidanaba lengak na mari leinaba singda khangan kre. Hojikoi na di matang sida Manipuri Paw loijare matangi Manipuri Paw numidang pung apanda muk pangbigani.